So, good morning everyone. My name is Utkarsh and I am a student of Lovely Professional University, currently pursuing Bachelor's of Technology in Computer Science and Engineering. My specialization is full stack web development, and today I am going to present you a project that I have made for my subject front end web developer. So, basically we have been allotted a group of 4 peoples. My group includes 4 peoples and I am one of the member of that group. So the topic that was allotted to our group was smart IoT farming portal, in which we have been allotted with a problem statement that farmers these days faces a lot of problem in monitoring their crop in a real time basis. So what happens, let me explain you the problem first and then we'll go whatever the project I'm having. So what actually happens is when farmers deploy all the seeds and all the process has been done for the crops. After that they lack in monitoring the crops. So what we are going to do is deploy some IoT devices that will give us some data about humidity level or soil moisture and etc., about air quality index and various data we will be getting. On the basis of data, we have to alert the desired operator that have been allotted to check whether the soil is good or bad. So we will be making a dashboard in which we are going to fetch all the data from those IoT devices, and we will be displaying those data on the dashboard, and based on the data we'll be providing some alert, whatever the alert is necessary for the crops to be well maintained. So the very first idea we have used is we have created a login page, so the desired operator that will be sitting there to check whatever the alert is there or what, he can log in. Only a specific amount of operator will be allowed to log in, so there will be a login page. After that, if the login will be done successfully, a dashboard page will be there, and on that dashboard in the real time basis the humidity and etc., the things will be updated in the real time basis, and at the corner there will be a uh, time stamp that will give us that when the data has been updated. After that, let me show you first. Actually, for our project, the technical specs are as follows. For the front end part, I have used HTML, basic CSS and Tailwind CSS also. For the designing part, we have used CSS that I told already. And for the motion and all the designing, all the motion part, we have used JavaScript. And for the backend portion, I have used PHP. And for displaying you the output, I am going to use the XAMPP server. It is actually a free server that I am going to use. So I have already created my file that you can see here. Our project work is there, and I have created one login page. These are the images and these are some Excel file that I have to make. These are not integrated with this project. Login page is there, and another page is sign up page is there, and another page that I have created is forgot HTML and dashboard. So all the 4 pages are there, and for the sign up I have one PHP file, another for login I have one PHP file. So 2 PHP file have been also included. So now I am going to show you. I think my server is on. Server, this SQL database is off. Let me switch on. Yes, all. After that I'll type localhost, and this will be there. Server is on. I have to write int, and here I'm getting all the data that have been saved in my folder. So I'll click the login page. So here is the page. At the very top I have included an div tag for this segment, welcome to smart crop monitoring system, and at the back I have used background image. This is also a div. For this color I used opacity, and this is a logo we have designed using an external website. So it's a logo, AgroSense IoT. For example, I have taken one name. Now first I will enter the correct username and password. After that I'll enter an incorrect username and password. Let me start with the incorrect. So the username is correct. Let me enter the password, but it will be incorrect. So let me show you what will it show. So when I'll click the login, it will show invalid username or password, try again. So it will show you a warning, invalid username or password. So when I click on the try again option, then I'll be redirected to the login page again. After that I'll type the correct username and password. So when I click the login, a dashboard page will be open. After 5 seconds the temperature, humidity, soil moisture will be updated. So current condition will show you the current condition, these options. After that alert will be show you all good, because the desired data is all good, that's why it is displaying all good. If I'll change the data, actually for the data fetching we have to add an API, so this is not in our segment. So this is a basic design. So if we'll add the API, the data will be fetched in the real time basis. So temperature, humidity, soil moisture, if I'll change the soil moisture or temperature, there are some alerts that are going to show. I'll do that portion after some times. After that we are having a graph option that will show you what is the growth 10 AM to 1 PM and everything. It will be show. It's a basic idea that this is how the project will work. Then live feed, it is also based on API that we don't have used, but live sensor feed means it actually refers to what sensor is getting, what that IoT device is getting from the crops. It will show you here live. Then here is a historical data. We have used input portion date for this. After that I'll select January, and suppose that if I'll choose 2 April, then view fetching data from the from this date to this date. If the data is present in the database, we have to integrate a database here. So when we'll click the view option, it will fetching data, it will show the. After that recommendation is there. Recommendation is static, it will not work according to any data here. It is a static recommendation. It is only a idea that we can use recommendation option as well. After that, if we'll enter the sensor ID, suppose 12,1206, and farm location can be near near cattle, and we have given 4 types of crops. So we can choose maize or you can choose vegetables. If we'll save, it will save in the database. When you'll click save, it will save on the database. We currently do not have integrated the database, so that's why it is not going to work. But when we'll click on the save option, it will going to save on the database, and on the real time basis this graph will be updated. Now if we'll click on the logout, here is the timestamp last updated. It is updating in the real time basis. So now that's all for the background. I have used the background color, and these are separated div tags. For the graph, I have used an graph option. Now we have this sidebar. For this I have used hover. These are hover, and for this color we have used opacity. Crop dashboard, it's a simple web page. Now we have logout option. When I click the logout option, it will be redirected to the login page again. Now suppose if I want to sign up, so I'll click in the sign up option. It will redirect to a new page. Now here I will enter some details. Let me enter a password. So the password must be same. If I'll enter incorrect password, so it will show you a warning, sign up failed, password do not match. Then I'll click on the back option. If I'll click if I enter the same password in both the option, then I'll click on the sign up. Then it will say sign up successful, welcome the username I have entered, and redirecting to dashboard. In 5 seconds it will redirect to dashboard. This is all about a working. It is not a real time. We are only displaying a idea what we are going to use. After that, there is one more option, already have an account. If we'll click on the login, will be redirected to the login page, and it's a forgot password option. If we'll click on the forward password and give your registered email, send reset link. So a reset password link has been sent to this email ID, whatever email ID I have entered, and after 5 seconds it will be redirected to the login page again. That is all for from my side. Now I am going to show you the source code. First I'll show you, if I'll stop my XAMPP server. So when I'll stop the XAMPP server, the server is going to stop, so my backend portion will not work. So it is all controlled by backend portion. I have not integrated any JavaScript, so the web page is not working. Now I am going to show you my source code that I have used. So the very first is login page. So this is the login page. Here I have used the script like for Tailwind, it is CDN. Now these are the code. Earlier I have added this script portion, but now I don't use, so I have added the PHP portion. This is the PHP portion. After that I have a forgot PHP, forgot email, forgot HTML page. This is the forgot HTML page, and this is forgot PHP. Again we have a dashboard. This is the sidebar code. This is main content, current, and all this I am having. This is the script portion main. This is set interval function we have used, fetch sensor data. 1000 means 1000 nanoseconds, it's 1 second only. Now we have a sign up HTML. It is also a basic page. Instead of script we have used a PHP portion. So thank you very much guys. That is all what we have created in a group of 4. It was all our project for our front end web developer subject. I would really appreciate if you'll support me for this, and definitely I'm going to make some more projects. Thank you very much.